Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon to everybody. Today I'll show you our menu for today. Our menu for today is a vegetarian omelette, no cheese. So I'll show you how to make a low sodium, nutritious low sodium omelette for diabetic. So let's get started guys. Hope you guys have a great day over there wherever you're at. So let's start cooking. Alright, I have onion, I have bell peppers, garlic. I put 1 tablespoon because my husband loves the garlic, minced garlic. It doesn't matter whatever you mince or crushed garlic, it's fine. So garlic, mushroom, and eggs. So we're gonna use oil and my spices for my omelette is Italian seasoning, salt-free seasoning. If you don't have a salt-free seasoning, it's okay. But if you don't have other spices that I have, you can just put a little salt on it. But if you have spices, you put this, it tastes better. Salt-free seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder as a substitute for my salt. Now, well, I'm gonna cook the vegetable first. Let's put probably 1 tablespoon of oil. There you go, 1 tablespoon. And now let's start with our mushroom. Let's start with our mushroom. There you go. Cook the mushroom first. Cook all the vegetable first. Right there. Now, to make the eggs fluffy, I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. The eggs I use 3 eggs. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoon of half and half, or any milk that you have, any kind of milk. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons to make it really fluffy, because you don't want it to be really flat. You want it fluffy, tastes better, and it looks better too. Alright guys, now let's let's cook the mushroom. Then when you cook the omelette, even you're cooking the vegetable, preheat the pan first before you start cooking. When the vegetables are all prepared, there you go. And then I put next the garlic, because I put second the garlic because I don't want it to get burned out. Okay, so that's the garlic. And now I can put my onion. There you go. And then let's cook it for about 40 seconds to a minute with the garlic and onion. Now, while I'm waiting for the vegetables to be cooked, let's prepare our eggs for the omelette. Now, salt-free seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon only. Okay. There, 1/4 teaspoon of the seasoning, salt-free seasoning, and Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon as well. There you go, 1/4 teaspoon. Onion powder, getting it, guys. Oops, not enough. Come on. Alright, there you go. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. And then we go with our garlic powder. Yeah, after you preheat the, okay, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. After you preheat the stove, turn down to medium to cook the vegetables because you don't want to burn the vegetable. Now it's ready to put our bell peppers. There you go. All the bell peppers there. Cooking. This is really good. My husband loves this. And let's prepare our eggs. There's my eggs. I put 2 tablespoons of half and half, or any milk and creamer, but not the whipping cream. It's milk, or half and half. Alright, that's ready to go. You can put any kind of vegetables you want. Normally I put also spinach. I don't know, I have spinach. Let me check in the refrigerator while this one is cooking, if I still have some. Because I know I have some last time. I think I finished it already. I hope it's not, it hasn't done that already. I hope it's still okay. Yeah. And I'm gonna put some spinach. I got the spinach. So I'm just gonna have to wash a little bit of this and see if I still have a lot of good in here, so that my husband can enjoy the omelette. Because I like it when my husband eats the food I cook, especially when it's a healthy food. So let's see. You can just put any amount you want of the omelette, but of course not too much, okay? You just estimate how much you want to put on your omelette. Maybe a handful of omelette, maybe that's what you can put. Just a handful of spinach. Alright, I think it's cooking now. It's almost done. Now I can put my spinach. There we go. And let's just cook it, saute it until it's done. So I normally don't put anything on the vegetables because I already got a lot of the spices on my eggs. It's really good. Yeah. Okay, so it's almost done my vegetables. Now I'm gonna put it on a plate. Put it on the plate. It's ready. Okay, after the vegetables is done, set aside. There you go. You set it aside and then you start cooking the eggs. There you go. And then of course we're gonna put oil again. Let's see. Because I don't have a spray, so I'll just use the regular olive oil to cook the eggs. I don't have the or spray or something. Alright, let's put another, let's try 1/2 teaspoon. Let's try another tablespoon. Okay, there. Let's see if the oil is gonna be enough for the eggs. Wait a little bit, a few seconds. Now you want the oil to be all over the pan. Now, like I said, I like my eggs to be cooked just right. It's not burned, but it looks nice. It's fluffy. Now, let's put the eggs. There you go. Now, let's just wait to cook it until it's done. So, there you go. I'm gonna turn the heat a little bit into medium high, and then turn it down again when the eggs is starting to get cooked and fluffy in the bottom. So that's all you need to do. If you don't have the spices like I said that I got, you can always use probably only a 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon of what they call it, salt, because you don't want to put too much salt on it. It's salty, the sodium. Be careful with the sodium. Like I always tell you guys what happened to my husband before, because of he liked food that are really uh, salty. He wanted to taste the food, can really taste the food with the salt, but I don't like it, and that's what happened. He was hospitalized for 5 days because of the fluid retention in his lungs and below his heart. So now we are being careful of what we are giving him, talking about food. So now it's almost done. Let's just start to cook all. And you can do it like this, put it side by side. If there's somewhere that it's not yet done, put it on the side like that. And there. See, it really looks very nice. So we just wait for a few minutes until it's all done. You can tell that it's all done at the top. And then gonna be ready. We'll be ready to put our vegetables in it, inside the omelette. There you go. See, it looks really nice. It's looking good. Like that. There you go. Now, eventually, this omelette, when it's done, the eggs, when you put, okay, I'll put now I can put now my vegetables on top and fold it, because the vegetables is already, the eggs is ready, it's cooked, and then when there are still some uncooked here on the top, but don't worry, when you put the hot vegetables that you cook, it will cook, because of the vegetables still hot from it will cook with the heat from the warmness from the vegetables. You just put it like this on the other side. I don't put cheese because cheese is not really good for the body, and second, my husband can't really have it because of his diet, and one of the food that he can't eat is cheese. So now it's done. Look, it's so beautiful. Now we're gonna fold it like this and put it up like that there. And it's not, and now I can turn it off. It is not burned, really burned. It's just a little brown, but that's what you like with the omelette. My husband loved my omelette so much because he said I have the best omelette. So this is now my vegetarian omelette. So hope you guys like it. Thank you for, I'm gonna put now in the plate. Thank you guys for joining me to cook my veggie omelette. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a great week, a great weekend, and I really appreciate you guys for supporting me with my channel and watching my videos. And I hope that everything that I show you and I do, I hope that you like it, and you will continue helping me. And to those who haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, and you can learn something from me, from my videos about health and food and cooking. And thank you so very much for taking your time to thumbs up give likes to my videos, watching it, and thank you for taking your time to subscribe my channel. So to those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Click the subscribe button at at the bottom where the subscribe is, and then click the notification bell so you will be notified all the time, every time I post a new video or I upload a new video. So this is now my veggie omelette, like this. It's very easy to make. So thank you so much again, and have a wonderful day, have a great week, and God bless you all, and stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to pray. Love you all, guys. Big hugs to everybody, and love, 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 love. See you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye. Till next time.